You're with Times Now. My name is Pranesh Kumar Roy. For the last 14 hours, this is the biggest investigation that has been carried out till date in the Sushant saga. Times Now is in possession of explosive WhatsApp chats of Riya Chakrabarti and her gang, and I'm using the words carefully because this is nothing but that. It was an organized syndicate, a drug cartel, proof of which Riya tried to delete, but the Enforcement Directorate has uncovered this, shared this with the Narcotics Control Bureau and the CBI. As we speak, Jaya Saha will be drilled again by the ED and the CBI, and more developments happening at the National Narcotics Control Bureau. A high-level meeting will be happening very soon to decide the next course of action. There are fundamental questions that we will be asking, but let's begin with reactions coming in. The BJP demanding arrest of Riya Chakrabarti, slamming the Uddhav Sarkar. Listen in to Kirit Somaya.
In Sushant Singh, Riya case, the drug angle is exposed now. What the Thakre Sarkar and Mumbai police was doing? Who are involved in this all? Are there other people also? Or the gang of Bandra? We would like CBI to check every angle.
You heard that pressure mounting on the Maharashtra government, but guess what? The Maharashtra Home Minister, the man who dismissed the Sushant Singh Rajput death as suicide, has said, I will talk later. Well, Mr. Anil Deshmukh, it has been 65 days, too late already. When will you talk? India is talking about these chats on your screen now, and Vikram Singh, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, also joining our broadcast. Sir, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. I will just quickly read out the chats before I bring you in. Let's go to these chats one by one. This is Riya talking to all the other principal players, including her brother Shovik, Shruti and Jaya Saha. Explosive, exclusive disclosure. Gaurav writing to Riya Chakrabarti. In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done many MDMA once. Is he Shovik's friend? That's the big question. Let's go to chat number 2. There are 8 exclusive chats, and the only channel, I have to stress this point, viewers, because the only channel to have these chats, no other channel has these chats, and this has now altered the course of the Sushant investigation. This is chat number 2. Gaurav, the alleged drug dealer, we also spoke to him. We'll play that out. You have MD. Riya asked for MDMA, the hallucinogen drug. We don't know. These are questions that Team Riya and her gang will have to answer. Let's go to the next one quickly. This is Riya Chakrabarti writing to Jaya Saha. Have asked him to coordinate with Shruti and have it sent up. Have what sent up, and have something sent up to whom? That's the question. Let's go to chat number 4. Riya Chakrabarti writing to Jaya Saha. Use 4 drops in coffee, tea, water. Let him sip it. Give it 30-40 minutes for it to kick in. Now, what is this? Couldn't be Disprin. Dr. Vikram Singh?
This is absolutely a grade and incontrovertible and evidence. Consuming drugs is one thing, and supplying it and also administering is entirely another. This is a very serious offense, and make no mistake, Pranash, one of the strictest law in India is the NDPS Act, in which the onus of proof is on the accused, and it carries not only imprisonment for life, but also death penalty for repeat offenders. And therefore, I feel that this is an extremely serious matter, Pranesh, which you've uncovered, and the talk has the similar footprints of drug administrators and users. And I said before, Zahar Khurani Giroh. I have no doubt in my mind now, after listening from my experience, I can tell you that this is consumption and administration of drugs. It's different ball game altogether, and I think her goose is cooked for all times to come.
Stringent. The law is stringent, says man of the law, someone who understands the law and the system, how it works. Dr. Vikram Singh telling us that the maximum punishment is life imprisonment. But the Mumbai police, are you surprised, Dr. Vikram Singh, that the Mumbai police is yet to react? What more proof are they waiting for? All the chats, everything, hard evidence is in black and white.
Pranesh ji, you are a young man. I have seen the world. Nothing shocks and surprises me any longer. There is much more to it than what meets the eye. It is not only an investigation that has been derailed. deliberately, but also you are looking the other way with a sense of purpose because you have some important people to shield and conceal the criminal activities as far as drugs peddling is concerned. Drug peddling is second only to arms trade in this world. And therefore, when it comes to Hollywood and Bollywood, the drug supply will result to thousands and thousands of crores, and I wouldn't be surprised if the nexus runs deep.
If the nexus runs deep, thank you, Vikram Singh. I request you to stay with us, sir. More reactions coming in, pressure mounting on the Maharashtra government. Times now, news break, setting the agenda. Once again, the biggest disclosure, and it can't get bigger than this. More reactions coming in, more news break lined up.
The drug angle that has been exposed by Times now, the 8 incriminating WhatsApp chats. How do you look at it? There have been references between Jaya and Ria. Jaya, who happens to be her colleague at Quan, who says that, let him sip it, give 4 drops. There have been references to MDMA, hash, but how do you look at this whole thing, sir?
Well, as far as the family is concerned, in the FIR, we were under the impression that he is being over-drugged. And when we mentioned over-drugged, we thought it was prescription drug. So if you go take somebody to a doctor and there are some treatments going on, so there is a possibility of a drug having a side effect and that drug being administered in extra quantity. But now what has been revealed in your channel yesterday, and Avika also took me yesterday after that revelation, it looks like these are not prescription drugs. These are hard drugs, banned drugs. And if this was being done, then the matter is really very serious, because our family's contention right from the beginning has been that there was an attempt to control the mind of Sushant Singh Rajput, and for that purposes all this was being done. So he was a very healthy person, he used to do his workouts, he was a very positive person, had lots of plans, future plans in life. So how to control somebody like that? So probably this was the method used by them, and when we said overdrug, probably this is how the overdrugging was being done.
And sir, this also puts a question mark on the role of Mumbai police, the autopsy being delayed, and then Ria's team coming out and saying that she's ready for a blood test. Do you think that's enough, sir?
Well, blood test really doesn't mean anything. If you're out of drugs for some time, automatically the blood level will not show. But in any case, the revelation that you've done yesterday doesn't talk of Ria taking the drug. It talks of Sushant being administered the drug. So there are some messages which also suggest that Ria also takes some drugs. But whether Ria takes a drug or doesn't take a drug really doesn't make any difference to the case. The real point is that whether Sushant was administered something to control his mind or not, or to sort of unsettle him or make him anxious or make his anxiety level go up. So that's the real point. So if that was being done, then whether Ria takes or doesn't take really is deflecting the case to a different angle.
So the role of Mumbai police is under question.
And the Mumbai police definitely right from the beginning, we have said so, and I have maintained that they have, instead of doing a proper investigation or looking for evidence to prove that this was a case either of abetment to suicide or of murder, both are very serious offences. Instead of doing that, they were doing what we call in Bihar a khana purti, that you call everybody from Bollywood and do an inquest, and in that proceeding make everybody, just tell me, how do you make somebody sit for 4 hours without there being a case against him or without there being any investigation going on? So it was harassment to the entire Bollywood, and the whole purpose was that if they do it for 1 or 2 months, then public memory being short, people will forget Sushant Singh Rajput and they'll be able to bury the whole thing. But unfortunately that didn't happen for them, and fortunately the family has been fighting very strongly, and the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput all over the world are clamoring for justice. So I hope something will come out very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.